Hey there! So, we are near this place called New Sai Kailash Dhaba, which is recently opened in Kottapet actually, near Kottapet actually. And this is, I think, right below Kritunga. And is the Chris Gethin's gym still here? Yeah, so it's just near the Chris Gethin's gym. There are multiple places nearby to eat very well, and we wanted to have something a little different. We wanted to have North Indian, but we wanted to have it in a new place. So we found this place on Zomato, and we just thought, why not come here and have a lunch over here. It's Saturday, so we had the time today. We've ordered a couple of our favorites actually to see how it is. The first one we ordered was baby corn manchuria. I absolutely love baby corn. So baby corn crispy, baby corn fried, golden baby corn, all those things. So they had baby corn manchuria. So I went ahead and ordered that. And Vishal suggested why not order a paneer sabji while we are at it. So we ordered paneer do pyaza, and we ordered two different rotis. Two rotis and a butter rice. So let's see how they are. As we speak, our plates are here and the salad is here. So we have a bunch of cucumber, onion and lemon. So I think the food is gonna be here soon. I've asked all the food to, I've asked them to get it all together here. So let's see how it is. So the food is here, and we've ordered baby corn manchuria, as I said. Vishal, why don't you show them the food? So we have baby corn manchuria, we have paneer do pyaza, and then we have the butter rice over here and the tandoori roti. And for the butter rice, we also have raita and a salad. And apart from that, as I already showed you, we have the salad with us. So let's give it all a try. So let's get started with the baby corn manchuria. I'm gonna take a little and then I'm gonna pass it on to Vishal as well. Here you go, Vishal. So it looks pretty good. Let's give it a try. Oh, it's crispy too. Vishal, you're gonna like this. Oh, it's nice and crispy. I like that. How's it, Vishal? It's nice now. Vishal is nodding his head yes. It's spicy but not very spicy, and it has that nice gingery taste to it, which is really really nice. And let's try the paneer sabji too. I'm gonna serve myself a little. So we're just gonna tell you how it tastes like, and then probably serve the rest of it and have our lunch. So I just took the paneer sabzi, and we have the roti. Oh, the roti is nice. It's crispy too. Oh, there's pyaz and there's paneer and everything. Paneer looks pretty fresh too. It has a nice smoky aroma. I'm gonna serve myself more and then pass it on to Vishal. This is really nice. I really like the sabji. I'm gonna take some salad too with this. The roti is actually pretty tasty. I'm gonna take some onion, lemon. Ooh. Let me serve myself like a spoon of rice and see how the taste is. The butter rice is good. It has kaju and stuff like that too. It is very nice. Okay then, let me dig in. So we just got done with the food, and I must say I really enjoyed it. And even the raita, actually, for the matter, was very, very fresh. I just ate spoonfuls and spoonfuls of raita after I finished my meal. So this place is definitely a must try. I'll leave the description, the link to the location of this place down in the description, so that you can come and visit when you are in the Dilshuk Nagar, Kotapet side. So yeah. It was a very nice meal. I think Vishal also enjoyed the meal quite a lot. Yeah, so he did. And definitely there's actually a buffet also near in the same place. Buffet and a thali as well. So we probably will give this a try in the next go whenever we are coming to this area. And I feel I need to try many more things here so that I understand the flavor palette that is there here, because I actually liked what I ate. And I'm looking forward to trying more dishes from this place. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe, and let us know if you want us to go to some other place in Hyderabad so that we can try out the food over there. See you all in the next one. Bye bye.